But let's get back to our program. Move the button OK down here. Go to additional tab. Select this one, BTN, and then this BTN, put it here. This one is called close. Now the close button, change the caption, go to properties, locate a property called kind. You'll see it says custom. Open that combo, select close. There, run your program, click that button. Closes your program. We didn't code anything, it came with the code. That one is code. Now we want this one to come here. I want it to be here, but for now, can you go to standard, get a panel, drop it below here. This panel bottom, we are going to use it as a task bar. A task bar or a status bar is this bar on your windows down here. That has got some functionality displaying some programs that are running. Now go to the properties, caption, take off the caption so that it's blank, and then set the align property to okay. Now do this, say Control Z. No. Okay, no, leave it like that. This time I want this, we want to code this PNL bottom so that when I run the project, the program, on its own, it goes to the bottom and it aligns at the bottom. Open here your form, FRM cells, switch to events, next to property.
Yes, I should leave that like that.
Scroll up,
Let's go there.
there is events, but select here form on top here,
Okay.
open that,
That's right.
yeah, cells, and switch to events. Select on activate, double click. So this event runs when the form is being activated. So your form is going to be created, then loaded, then activated, then a focus is going to be set. Right. Let's have a comment here. Set the align to bottom and bevel property to inner. That's what we are going to do. Purpose of the comments. The comments help us know what the code does later stage. We will forget, or other people didn't code. They will be able to read and correct your code. So here we are going to hold Control, press Tab.
Control plus.
Hold Control and space bar. Right, select P, NL bottom. Press enter, then a period, then we search for that property, align, there it is, press enter. This align, then press enter again. Okay, don't press enter, space. This align, we are going to assign it AL client. Terminate. Sorry, not to client, to bottom. We have the client already, so this one goes to bottom. Then we go back and say PNL
bottom.
bottom, yes. And then this time we go to the property bevel edges. You are going to see this. We've got the following: bevel outer, bevel inner. We've got bevel outer, bevel kind, bevel inner. You can select the bevel inner, you just press enter when it is there. This property we assign it. Okay, you may ask myself now, how will I know what property to assign to this one? All what you do is when you go to the properties and you go to your control PNL bottom, there is the bevel inner. See the bevel inner. Now, this bevel inner, when you open the options, these are the constants. You can only assign it BV lowered, BV none, BV raised, BV space. You understand? So now let's go back to our code F12. Say BV lowered. Then terminate. Save. F12. Now I just want you to look at your control, this one. Understand? At the moment it looks like this. Run it, F9. Look at your application. Look at my application. That's cool, huh? Look at how nice it is. It is a nice taskbar aligned to the bottom. Look at the bevel inner, lowered. That is what it does to that panel. It's a nice application. Right, that's it for now. Let's take a break.